How doing, folks? We made it to the Lancaster National Classic Car Show. We were just chatting on the way up. I've come up with a nice fella called Dan with a lovely Cortina. We were waiting to look at to meet up with NEC, who's got the Mini in the ST estate, and we're going to have a wander around. There's a couple of other folk that I know that come in today, so hopefully we'll meet up with a couple of them as well. But really, it's just going to be a walk around today, guys. We've got some pretty big halls full of some absolutely wicked classic cars. This is an absolutely wicked chance to see some stuff that you just don't see normally. So have a little walk around. I'll show you what there is here, and you will be gutted you didn't make it this year if you haven't, and you'll be booking your tickets for next year, I'm sure. It is awesome. So let's crack on. My car of the show to look for is going to be the DeLorean. I friggin' love a DeLorean. I would love to see a nice little NSX. I've seen loads of stuff up on social media of loads of bits and pieces of people that are already here. Nice red Cavalier I'm going to be looking out for. I'll tag him when I get there and I see that, which will be absolutely wicked. I can't wait to see that. So yeah, let's go. Let's see some classic cars. Rear-engined Mini. Not rear-engined, ladies and gentlemen. It's
worthy though, isn't it?
Composure. Outtakes as well.
It's filming us.
So we made it halfway around the first hall, and there's just too many cars. Too many cars. So much cool stuff to look around, all sorts of different bits and pieces. And we're just getting stuck chatting to cool people about cool cars. So let's try and get some more done. We've got a coffee in. Let's get it going. State of these cars, guys. I quite like it. That's the first hall done. Coming up the stairs up here into the next hall. There's another 3 or so to go, and we walked in and there's some absolutely awesome cars already. Check these out. Proper rally spec set of motors down here. Check these out. Ford Central down here, guys. We've got some absolutely badass cars back there. You would have already seen some ST170 motors in, some Cosworth YBs in, just absolutely wicked, some wicked looking cars.
your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong.
Right, we've done through that hall there now. That's all the auto bits done. I managed to make it through with only buying 2 little Hot Wheels cars for little boys when I get home. We made it into the next hall, hall number 3, with some absolutely awesome cars. I mean, check this out.
Fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Wow, what an absolutely mental array of cars already. There's some absolutely wicked stuff. We saw that DeLorean literally just after I'd said I'd want to see one. There was one right now in the entrance. The TR6 with the Cosworth engine, the Triumph Dolomite with the Saab engine, the Mark II Escort with the absolutely bonkers Duratec engine. Loads of stuff in there, as well as some wicked standard stuff too. If you're loving this video, make sure to check out tomorrow's episode, which is part 2 of the NEC Classic Car Show. If you're watching this after Friday, it'll already be there, so make sure to go and check it out. But that does mean that you're probably not subscribed, so make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future uploads on the channel. Till next time guys, drive safe and I'll catch you again on the Dizzy Cap Car Show.